Is this recording? Is it? I think so. Is it? Can you hear me? Oh, well, you can't answer me. Just kidding. Anyways, hi, I'm Ciza. I am the owner and creator of Ciza's Custom Designs. I wanted to come on here because I will soon start creating content for you guys. I have gotten so much good response from people on TikTok, from Instagram, from Facebook on my little mini tutorials, and they have actually requested full tutorials. So this was something that never in a million years I thought I was gonna be like, hey guys, welcome to my channel. But I would always joke about it, but it is so amazing to be here. It is such an honor that somebody wants to learn from me. I am no expert, absolutely not. But I can do is show you what I got, show you what I do, and see if that's something that works for you guys. So stick around. I will be posting my first full tutorial video very soon. I want to thank you guys. I wouldn't be here for you guys. I honestly, I can't, I am not tired of saying that. So I appreciate all the support from everyone, from literally my first person that I told to, and my very newest follower. Thank you so much for trusting me. Thank you so much for watching me and for listening to my crap on TikTok, because I honestly had no idea what I was doing. But I am so glad that, sorry, that was my mega boom. But I am so excited, like literally so excited. I almost wanted to throw up all day at work today. But I'm so excited for you guys to get to know me, get to know how I create these things, and hopefully I can inspire other people to do the same thing. And I will always be here to help you guys. So ask me anything, comment, send a direct message on TikTok, which is what I'm mostly on, which I know is bad, but that's where I'm mostly on. TikTok is just my thing. I'm still trying to figure out Instagram, but I will answer you. So message me. I will help you. I will try to guide you as best as I can. So I am so excited. I know I've said that like 10 freaking times, but I'm really excited. I still want to throw up. So if I throw up on screen, I am so sorry. But anyways, I am so excited. So stick around, get to know me. Let's do these tumblers and let's learn together, because I love the community. Well, the Tumblr community, the girls that I have found on there, they are super amazing. They hype you up. They are willing to help, and I want to be one of them. I want to be able to show you guys what I do, and you guys try to recreate it and be like, hey, you inspired me to do this. That is freaking amazing. Why? Because that means that I'm doing something right for somebody, not just for me, not just for show, just because you might be having a rough day. And if you see my, all ratchet self on here and I can make you laugh, which anybody that knows me, for me, knows that I will most likely make you laugh. Probably piss you off later, but definitely make you laugh. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and like this video. Go ahead and share it to everybody that you know, that you want them to see what I do. And let's get to Tumblr making.